What types of food diets are associated with increased anxiety? This was a recent study that was published in 2021. It was a systematic review that analyzed over 1,500 studies relating diet with anxiety. The authors were several professors out of universities such as Harvard. Some of the key findings from this research were dietary patterns that not only increased anxiety, but others that reduced it. Interventions that had the greatest measurable effects on reduced anxiety included diets that were high in protein and low in processed sugars. Especially effective were foods that were high in omega-3 fatty acids such as fish and other whole foods that had high concentrations of micronutrients, as well as increased vegetables and fruits. Diets associated with increased anxiety were those with a high intake of sugar, high-fat diets, and heavily processed food items. Some of the suspected reasonings for the decrease in anxiety was that certain whole foods are rich in things like antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and neuroprotective effects, while those dietary patterns that increased anxiety had foods that increased oxidative stress and inflammation. Dietary patterns characterized by high sugar, high fat, and low protein were associated with increased anxiety.